Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a new wax warmer kit that was sent to me by Tress Wellness. They wanted me to give my honest opinion on this wax warmer kit, so I was super duper excited to get this wax warmer kit. So this is what the wax warmer kit looks like, and as you can see, it comes with a digital wax warmer and the wax beads as well. But they also have some other goodies inside the box too. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the box so you can see what all is included in the kit. So the kit actually comes with 5 packs of the hard wax beans. It comes with a peppermint kind. It comes with a tea tree kind, a lavender kind, a lemon kind, and a eucalyptus kind. So the kit also comes with the after wax spray, and it is to moisturize and smooth, and it removes the wax residue. This is what that looks like. So this kit also comes with a pre-wax spray, and this cleans and moisturizes the skin before you begin to wax, and this is what that looks like. It also includes the applicator sticks. It also comes with a Wax Like a Pro quick beginner guide, and this is what that looks like. And what is included is, some little tricks and tips for you to have a smooth waxing experience. And last but not least, but the actual digital warmer, and this is what it looks like. And as you can see, they have it in bubble wrap. Let's just take that off. First of all, let's just talk about the color of the wax warmer. I like the fact that it's black and it has like little purple details on it, because purple is my favorite color. And as you can see on the front, it has a little dial here and the little digital display, which will show you the degrees that your wax warmer is on. So I am just going to go ahead and take the rest of the plastic off of this and plug this wax warmer up so we can see how this works. And before we get started, there's also some more stuff included inside of the warmer right here. So what is included is the little spray applicators for the bottles here. So they sent 2 for 2 of the little bottles, so I'll be putting those in there as well. And they also include some gloves. And what is also included in the warmer is the actual pot that you are to put the wax beads in. Let's just open that real quick. And this is what that looks like here. It has a little handle on it, so it is easy for you to pick it up out of the warmer if needed. So yeah, that is what that looks like. Okay, so my wax has melted and I am ready to go ahead and start waxing. But first I'm going to start off with the pre-wax spray right here. And as you can see, I did add the little top to it in order to spray it to my underarm so I can get my skin clean. So I'm just going to spray it here. Little cotton ball right here, and the scent of this spray has a coconut smell. so this is what that underarm is looking like, and as you can see, the wax did get all of my hair, which is pretty good. So I am just going to go ahead and use the after wax spray here to get the rest of the wax off. And I'm going to get another cotton ball here. So as you can see, this is what the final results look like. Super duper clean, which I really love. So I'm just going to go ahead and wax the other underarm, and once I am done, I will come back and let you guys know what my final thoughts are about this wax warmer kit, so just stay tuned. Okay, so I am finally done waxing my other underarm, and this is what it is looking like. Nice and clean and hair free. Overall, I did enjoy using this wax warmer kit. I really do like the fact that the wax warmer is digital and you can actually see what the degrees is that your wax warmer is on. I set my wax warmer at 257 degrees because I wanted it to melt the wax beads much faster. I did not turn it down and the wax did not seem too hot for my skin. I just kind of rolled it around on the applicator so it could cool down some, and then I applied it to my skin and it didn't bother me. But definitely test out the wax at whatever degrees you have your warmer on first, like on the back of your hand, just to make sure it's not too hot, because you definitely don't want to burn your skin. But yeah, like I said, overall, like I really did enjoy this wax warmer and everything that was provided in the kit for me. So comment down below and let me know if you guys have used this particular wax warmer before, or if you are interested in trying out this digital wax warmer. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.